Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, I'm Ritu and I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion and hauls. In case you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, make sure that you click there and join the beauty squad. And in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing a skin routine for you all, which is gonna be specially for people who have dark spots, pigmentation, and also if you are just entered in your late 20s, you will start seeing those fine lines and wrinkles. So it is really important that you start working on those problems early on in order to have beautiful and glowing skin. And when we get the right skincare routine, it always works for us. So here are some products I wanted to share with you all, which has worked wonderfully on my skin. So without further ado guys, we are quickly gonna be diving in. So guys, the first serum I'm gonna be talking about here is gonna be Enhanced Skincare 10% Vitamin C Face Serum. Now this is something which is gonna give your skin that required glow. It is gonna work on your fine lines, wrinkles. If you are someone suffering from sun damage, sunspots and dark spots, believe me, this one is packed with these powerful ingredients which is gonna add that radiance to your face and just give you beautiful and bright skin. And these products are gonna be perfect for men and women, so anybody with these problems can use it. This one is specially curated for dull skin, dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles. If you are losing the elasticity in your skin and if you do not have that glow, just give this vitamin C serum a try and believe me, you're not gonna be disappointed. And this one is gonna be suitable for all skin types. So guys, the next product is gonna be Enhanced Skincare Night Cream. Now this is again suitable for all skin types and men, women, anybody can use it. Also a little thing I want to tell you, if you use vitamin C because it has some active ingredients, make sure that in daytime you're following it up with a good sunscreen, and in the evening I just apply the serum and then I follow it up with this night cream. Now this is again specially curated for dull skin, dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles. It just helps in hydrating and moisturizing the skin beautifully. It helps in making it glow and it gives a nice sheen and glossy skin. And in the morning you get up with beautifully and glowing skin. So yes, that is gonna be for my night skincare routine. Now there is gonna be a last product I want to talk about. Now we are gonna be moving on to a very special area and very delicate area, and that is gonna be the skin around the eyes. Now this one lose the elasticity very quickly because believe me, the skin is very sensitive and it's really thin. Now we need to take extra care of this skin, so I have this eye cream for you all, and this one is gonna be Enhanced Skincare Under Eye Gel. Now this one has niacinamide. It helps in beautifully hydrating the skin. If you are someone with the fine lines and wrinkles, believe me, you will see it going away. It has a beautiful consistency guys, which immediately helps in moisturizing and hydrating the skin around. And also if you're someone with the dark circles, it is really gonna help because I see Indians around having dark circles all the time. So yes, we need to take care of the skin especially, and once you apply it, you will be able to see your skin glowing. It's beautifully hydrated and moisturized. I love this whole range guys. I love the aesthetic packaging that it has. Make sure that you give it a try to get beautiful and glowing skin. With that, we are going to be wrapping up today's video. Make sure that you check out the product. The link is in the description box below guys, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.